Have you ever come across a gesture so simple and effortless that it can make a woman feel genuinely touched within seconds? What makes it even more interesting is that it has nothing to do with being extremely good-looking, rich, or using clever pickup lines. It's not about flashy charm or memorized techniques. It's something much more real, more meaningful, and surprisingly ignored by most men. In this video, I'm going to reveal what that gesture is, why it works so effectively on both a psychological and emotional level, how to recognize when she's responding to it, and most importantly, how to apply it in a natural way so it never feels forced or fake. But before we get into it, if you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss videos designed to help you improve your relationships. Now let's get started. Quick question for you. Drop a comment telling me which city and country you're watching from. And tell me honestly, do you believe one small gesture can really create such a strong reaction in a woman? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your feedback helps grow this community. Let's begin with the biggest mistake most men make. When trying to connect with a woman, many men think they need to impress her through humor, intelligence, achievements, or status. But reality works very differently. A woman's body reacts before her conscious mind even catches up, often within milliseconds. Over time, her nervous system has adapted to quickly detect intention, energy, and emotional safety. That's why she can meet someone and instantly feel either comfort and trust or the complete opposite. She may not always be able to explain it logically, but she feels it on a deep level. This isn't magic, it's biology. And this is where the gesture we're talking about becomes so powerful. When authenticity, safety, and genuine intention come together, something shifts emotionally. Her guard lowers naturally without effort. What I call an emotional opening begins. And the most interesting part? Her body shows the response automatically. It's very hard for her to hide it. Now, this melting gesture isn't just one thing. It's actually a combination of three elements that create a strong impact when used together. First, the calm and intentional approach. This doesn't mean moving slowly or awkwardly. It means approaching with purpose, but without rushing. You give her space to process your presence and feel comfortable with your energy. On a subconscious level, this shows self-control. A man who doesn't rush in emotional moments signals that he can manage himself, respect boundaries, and act with clear intention instead of impulsiveness. Second, the steady and gentle eye contact. This part requires balance. It's not an intense stare, and it's not avoiding eye contact either. It's a look that communicates, I'm fully present, and I'm not trying to take anything from you. The difference between a comforting gaze and an uncomfortable one comes down to intention. If you're looking for validation or a reaction, she will feel it and close off. But if you're simply sharing the moment, everything changes. Third, confident silence. This is where most men struggle. When there's a pause, many feel uncomfortable and rush to fill it with words. But when used correctly, silence becomes incredibly attractive. This isn't awkward silence. It's a calm, grounded presence. Without saying anything, you're communicating. I'm comfortable with myself, and I'm comfortable with you. Now, why does this combination work so well? Let's look at the science behind it. A calm approach activates her parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for relaxation and connection. Moving too fast can trigger alertness instead. Gentle eye contact can stimulate the release of oxytocin, the hormone linked to bonding and trust. And comfortable silence creates space for emotional processing. Her subconscious starts to register, this man feels safe, mature, and at ease with closeness. As a result, her guard begins to drop. So how can you tell if it's working? The signs are usually natural and hard to fake. You might notice a soft, genuine smile, not just a polite one. She may hold eye contact longer with a warmer expression. She might touch her hair, lips, or neck without thinking, small self-soothing gestures connected to attraction. Her body could subtly lean toward you or remove barriers between you. Her voice may become softer or more expressive. and her posture may open up, with her body and feet facing you. These are real physical responses. Now, how do you use this naturally without turning it into a technique? The answer is simple. Don't treat it like a performance. The moment you think, "I'm going to use this to make her like me," it loses its power. Authenticity disappears as soon as it becomes a strategy. Instead, focus on being genuinely present. Don't do it to get something in return. Do it because you actually enjoy the moment with her. Move calmly, like you would in a relaxed environment. Maintain eye contact without needing approval, and allow silence to exist without rushing to fill it. The more comfortable you become with silence, the deeper the connection will feel. In the end, this gesture isn't a trick or manipulation. It's simply a natural expression of a man who is secure within himself, doesn't rely on external validation, and can offer presence and emotional safety without expecting anything in return. A man who knows how to create connection without pressure. And when you develop this level of presence, it doesn't just improve your interactions with women, it changes your entire life. So next time you're with a woman you're interested in, remember, it's not about impressing or chasing, it's about creating an environment where she feels safe to open up. If you want to go deeper, comment, "I master this gesture," and tell me which of the three elements, calm approach, gentle eye contact, or confident silence, is the most challenging for you. I'd be happy to help you improve. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. We're building a community focused on growth through authenticity, not manipulation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.